Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I hope you are all fine and doing your practices of maths on your notebooks. Before going to start my lecture, I would like to share a quote of Imam Ali alayhi Islam, which is see the bad inside yourself and see the good inside others. This is our lecture number 8 and we will cover in this lecture unit number 3 and unit number 9. One topic has been left which I will cover today, which is of fraction. Topic says fraction of unit number 3 and information handlings. First, I will tell you the rules of BODMAS rule. I know we have done this in previous unit, but it is now in fraction form. There is the same criteria which we have to follow. Like in BODMAS rule, you have to first solve the brackets, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Like there is a, I just want to recapitulate because in this unit there are fraction type question in brackets. Okay, so first I will like to share you this type of example to remind you how can you solve this. Like first example, 6 plus 3 multiplied by 4. As we have learned that multiply will be done first and then addition will be done second. Okay, so we will multiply 3 multiplied by 4 is 12 and then we will add 6. Look at the second example where there is, remind it that there is no fraction here. I just want to understand you. Okay, then we will move to the brackets question in fraction form. Okay, like 3 plus 8 multiply 4 plus 6. Now first we solve the brackets because in BODMAS rule we first solve the, if there are brackets we first solve the brackets, then division, then multiply, then plus, then minus. Like here we will solve the addition, 4 plus 6 which is 10, then open the brackets and the answer will be 10, and when we will divide with 5 which the answer will be 2, and then multiply with the 8, 16, and then plus and then minus, and the answer will be 17. Same the criteria with the third example. Now move to the examples of fractions. Let us see an example and check how BODMAS rule works. There is a sign of multiply. Okay, 30 minus bracket 2 multiplied by 6 plus 15 over 3. Okay, and then bracket close plus 8 multiplied by 3 over 6. In first step we will solve the bracket. What is inside the bracket? 2 multiplied by 6 plus 15 over 3. So we will just spell first multiply the 6 to 2 which with the answer will be 12. Then plus 5 over 5 over 3. The answer will be 17. Step 2. Now you will move to the step 2. 30 minus 17 plus 8 multiplied by 1 over 2. 20 plus 30 minus 5 over 4 plus, multiplied by 2 plus 1 over 1 plus 6. Now first you will subtract 5 minus 6 over 4. You will solve this. The answer will be 1 minus 6 multiplied by 2 plus 9 and then over 8. BODMAS rule is very helpful in solving various math homework problems. Okay, so you can solve these things very easily. We have done previously fractions in multiply, division. Now there are only a BODMAS rule which you can solve like this. Second portion is introduction to average. Okay, what is the meaning of average? An average is a single figure that represent the whole group. एवरेज बेसिकली बताता है कि एक ग्रुप के एक सिंगल फिगर होता है, एक सिंगल डिजिट होता है, वो बताता है आपको कि क्या है इस पूरे ग्रुप की एवरेज. ओके, दिस इज अ फॉर्मूला फॉर एवरेज. Like the average value is found out by finding the sum of the observations and dividing it by the number of observation, that is n. Like अगर हमें फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे पास कुछ क्लास है, उसके मार्क्स हैं like 20, 23, like Ali gets 20 marks, Osama gets 30 marks, Hamza gets 6 marks. Okay, you just add on them. ओके आपने उसको ऐड करना है और डिवाइड बाय नंबर। टोटल कितने नंबर हो गए? अली, हमज़ा एंड उसामा 3। डिवाइड करना है, टोटल मार्क्स को ऐड करना है और डिवाइड करना है नंबर। कितने पर्सन है? 3 से डिवाइड कर देना है। फॉर एग्जांपल लेट ए बी सी रिप्रेजेंट, ए बी सी कोई भी एक नंबर है और एन जो है उसको डिवाइड करने के लिए नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन है। देन द एवरेज ऑफ दीज ऑब्जर्वेशंस विल बी गिवन बाय, लाइक देयर इज एग्जांपल, एवरेज वैल्यू क्या है इसकी? a प्लस बी प्लस सी प्लस सो ऑन एंड व्हाट आर द नंबर्स ओवर n, ठीक है, वेयर n इज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन। टोटल नंबर मीन्स यानी टोटल कितने डिजिट्स हैं। अगर डिजिट्स हैं तो डिजिट्स को काउंट करना है, 5 हैं, 2 हैं, 3 हैं, 6 हैं, टोटल नंबर बताने हैं। और अगर पर्सनस हैं तो टोटल पर्सनस भी काउंट करके उनके भी नंबर्स करने हैं। Let us see an example and then move on to the application of this concept. There is an example which is example number 1. The shoe size of 12 students of a class are 7, 8, 6, 9, 6, 9, 6, 7, 8. These are the numbers. Out of the following, which shoe will fit the most numbers of pupil? Now, how can you solve it? To find the shoe size that represent the most number of the student, we can use the concept of average. Now, we can use the average. What is the average size of the students? Okay. For that, we will have to sum the observation or data points and divide them by the number of data. Let us see. Like, we just add all of them, 7 plus 8. Just add the plus sign and then divide. How many numbers are there? Now you will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. You just divide sign over there and then write over 12. First you will add and then you will divide with the 12 and the answer will be 7.4. You will round off it, it will be, the answer will be 7. Look at the second example. Find the average of the following numbers: 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. How can you find the average? The series in an AP with the common difference being 3. The rule to find the average of an AP is that if the AP has even number of term, then average sum of the two middle term over 2. This is another example. Okay. For example, if for the series 4, 7, 10, 13, the average is 7 plus 10 and the equal is 4 plus 13 over 2. For the sequence 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, which is an AP with its mean arithmetic proportion with an odd number of term, the average is simply the middle term. इसमें हम ये भी करते हैं कि समटाइम्स हम एवरेज निकालने के लिए मिडल टर्म यूज़ करते हैं, बट इट्स नॉट ओके. यू जस्ट ऐड ऑन इट एंड डिवाइड हाउ मेनी फिगर्स 1 2 3 4 5 एंड डिवाइड विद 5. ओके, लाइक 50 डिवाइड बाय 5. ओके, the answer will be, it will you will cut it or divide it same number like it's divided by the 5. So 10 is the answer. Thank you so much. Hope so you understand the concepts of average and fractions and BODMAS rule, and you will do the practice of your maths. Thank you so much, student, and fi manullah. Allah Hafiz.